Welcome back everyone, this is PrintHub and today is going to be the first video of the series Cheap Toys Reviews. I'm still not 100% sure about the name, but I hope it sticks. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it or not. So this is a review and there was a minimal assembly and yet I managed to mess it up. I hope you will like the end result. This is Whitebeard from One Piece. Enjoy!
This is the model that I ordered and you can see the initial price is $799, but after some discounts I got it for only $472. I think that's a steal. Also, it says 29 centimeters in description. It's not actually 29, it's about 25.5 centimeters, but that's fine with me. Let's see the model.
There looks to be some kind of lighting as well. That's pretty cool considering the price of this model. It looks pretty good. Now let's assemble it. As you could see before, when I inserted the handle into this ball, this part here actually cracked a little bit. And the kicker is that I had to insert the handle into the model first and then into the ball. So now there is a clicking mechanism that I can't actually remove it, and that's the price token. There is no going back. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice this part, insert the handle into the hands of the model, and then I'm gonna glue it back together. Now let's try to insert the handle let's also insert the lightning. There is a hole in here. I guess it is holding this.
Five years later.
Well, it's tomorrow now and I finally have something to show you. I'm not sure what these models are made of, but I tried two types of different glue yesterday that always worked on regular PLA, and still works. I still use them, but it just didn't stick. I tried to hold those pieces that I broke on purpose to fix the model for about 15 minutes and it just didn't work. They didn't glue together. So I had to MacGyver something and I had to leave it overnight to see if it will work, and finally when I woke up I did see that it worked.
Plastic dreams in my hands, sculpture gods at my command. Layer by layer, build a life. Smooth the edges, sharpen the knife.